So what are the core principles of गर्भ संस्कार आपके हिसाब से?
As you are also working in this field, you also know that the whatever is going to the baby is from the mother, and mother is the important part to nurture a baby. So whatever the mother thinking, eating, with the surrounding and thoughts, everything affect the baby. So whatever the nourishment thoughts, that is called the garbha portion for the baby.
Okay.
So the mother and baby are the combined with each other unconditionally. So
Absolutely.
that based on कि जो मदर में है वो बेबी में जाने वाला है, तो that is should be a conscious efforts.
जी, like you said, गर्भ पोषण, such a beautiful word. I keep repeating this again and again in all podcasts. मैं आपके सामने भी रिपीट कर रही हूँ. हमारे आचार्य जी बहुत ब्यूटिफुली कहते हैं, आहार, विचार and व्यवहार. This is the गर्भ पोषण,
Yes,
right?
Garposan, yes, ahar, vihar, vichar and
vichar.
vyavhar, very good.
Absolutely. This is the perfect गर्भ पोषण. आज आपने इसको, I used to always say encapsulate. आज आपने इसको बहुत beautiful word दिया है, गर्भ पोषण.
Yes, it's
Thank you so much.
Garposhan.
Yes, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. So what are the activities and practices जो हमको गर्भ संस्कार में include करनी चाहिए to achieve this?
So, if I say Garb Sanskar is not just situation, it's a process.
Right.
It's for the 9 months. So we are going to inculcate that values in the baby for physically, mentally, intellectual and the spiritual development. And that's why we have to do all the activities through the mother so that we can pass these qualities to the baby.
Right.
So for physical activity, mother should be active and she could keep herself fit by the yoga practices. Definitely nowadays people are using breathing exercise, but I would like to say mother should practice pranayama, and that is much deeper than any other practices, breathing practices. So there are various pranayama described in our ancient science in the Ashtanga yoga. For mental fitness, definitely meditation, Garb Samvad is utmost important during pregnancy.
True.
To connect with the baby. And for intellectual, as we all know that our brain is divided in the left and right, that is the logical and the creative way. So we are giving that such type of activities, like for logical we are giving sudoku, word puzzles, and
Okay.
for creative we are doing mandala activities, some stitching, crochet, some glass paintings and many other drawings that can enhance that creativity in the mother as well as in the baby. And for spiritually, definitely I can also feel blessed to be in an Ayurveda doctor, that I am connected with the Sanskrit eternally. So for spiritual development, Sanskrit is the first and it's the mother language for any other language. So when we listen that stotras month-wise and we are chanting that mantras, it change our energy as well as the fetal energy from the womb.
So basically हमारे जो गर्भ संस्कार के 9 and beyond में हमने 6 pillars follow करे हैं. They are yoga,
Yes.
which is with pranayama.
Yes.
Meditation, again with pranayama. Then nutrition.
Yes.
Then we have raga music. We have mantra chanting.
Yes.
And we have गर्भ संवाद. तो आपको लगता है हम लोग राइट ट्रैक पे हैं?
नहीं, आप लोग राइट ट्रैक पे हैं एंड कहीं ना कहीं हमारी सोच एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर हियर टुगेदर. सो there is nothing right and wrong. We all are there to contribute the society and just we are doing that efforts together.
You know, डॉक्टर, मुझे पहली बार रियलाइज हो रहा है, I think I'm really blessed to be born to my parents. My mother was very creative and very good in singing and dancing.
Yes.
Right? And उनको हर skill, whether it was drawing, painting, knitting, whatever, she was brilliant in it, right? My father intellectually was really at a place, like, you know, his arithmetic was too good, science. मैं और मेरे भाई, touch wood, we imbibe, like you said, कि ये यहाँ
Yes.
से आता है. This is, I'm telling you, हम लोग, we were naturally, we had these.
Yes.
I'm not saying we were as good as a mother, father, but हम लोग definitely, like, it was there. So I can now clearly see the connection जब आप ये बात बोल रहे हो कि आप लोग ये skills कराते हो. Get, you know, and मम्मी ये सब चीजें कर रही थी. There is no doubt about it.
Yes.
Which means कि जब वो ये skills को adapt कर रही थी, जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं कि during the pregnancy अगर आप ये चीजें continue करते रहते हैं, and आप तो अपने school college से कर रहे हैं, like you say ये practice पहले से शुरू होती है,
Yes.
it automatically comes into your children. This is beautiful.
So that's
Yeah.
why in the previous time now we have to make aware a female because of the trend has changed. Previously these practices were all in all houses, all
Yeah,
homes.
exactly.
Yes, हर में घर
summer
में
vacation
था।
यही होता था, like, you know,
यही,
which is what
yes.
we have grown up with.
Yeah.
And अब मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है कि how easily my daughter also was like, you know, and my son
Yes.
naturally had a flair towards creativity because हम लोग सब तो we have grown up with these
Yes.
activities, not on mobile telephones and television.
Yes, and somehow
definitely.
the trend is
Yeah.
changing, era is changing, and we are able to see कि what we were able to enjoy. The kids are not getting that space to enjoy
Exactly.
the freedom, being in competitive age. We are here in the Mumbai. There is no ample place or ground nearby.
Bilkul.
So there are the change of generation, the things and their likes and dislikes. So
Bilkul.
definitely with some conscious efforts we can imbibe these qualities from the
I'm so glad that आपने इस point को specify करा है, you know, and I'm so glad I asked this question कि what are the activities?
yes
Because by specifying कि like ये सब activities करने से these are the results, this is like a eye opener, honestly. Like
yes and I think this is the time अभी हम generally as a female बोलते रहते कि हमको time नहीं मिलता ये, but it is the time for baby you are going to do such things for yourself
Yeah.
also.